Guys, Ben James back with another video here, and this video is going to be a little bit about, well, it's going to be all about how to make your first sale online. If you're selling other people's products in affiliate marketing, it's going to be very short and quick, but hopefully you'll find the value that's here and you'll go out and actually take action, which is the main thing with everything that you see. You've got to take action online and put things in place. So I'm not sure where you're at in your affiliate marketing journey or online journey, and maybe you haven't. I'm assuming the people that find this video haven't had a sale yet, and they're probably stuck at what to do. So I'm going to let you know how I made my first sale online, or first sale, so to speak. And it's a pretty simple process, but basically go to a marketplace called ClickBank, and you would have heard of it. The reason we say it's the place to start because it's just so easy to join and get accepted. A lot of affiliate programs, you'll have to pay to promote the products, or you have to get approved, and you normally need a website, all that kind of stuff. So guys, down here on the side, you've got all sorts of different niches. You can go into, this is the Make Money Online niche, and it ranks the products in order of popularity or what's selling well. So what I would do is take any of these pages on the first, any of these products on the first two pages. Maybe you want to go and try the health niche, but let's just say we want to make money in the Make Money Online niche. Okay, a lot of people are looking for that, especially now with all the lockdown and the stuff that's happened this year. A lot of people at home. So you scroll through here and find a product, and then maybe it's this one. Have a look at it. Go through the affiliate resource section. Oh yeah, single mom makes 700 a week, good landing page, there's a video. You know, it looks like a pretty good offer. So then you would go here to the affiliate section as well. And this is a really easy, simple way you can do this, okay? And here it just says all the promos you can sign up for. There's your affiliate link, okay? So I'll quickly get a notepad up. And guys, if you don't know how to use ClickBank, there's all sorts of videos about it, ClickBank, and I've got a couple in my channel. So please just subscribe, hit the bell, comment below. Hey Ben, made my first sale. But let's just say your affiliate ID is AFDan123. I don't know. Yours will be unique. Okay, so we take this. This is how you're going to get paid. And we just go over to Bitly. Okay, you can go to the other URL shortener, but I've got an account with these guys, so it's just easier. And you paste that in there because you don't want to be pasting this. And I'm assuming you haven't got a domain. If you've got a domain, then by all means, so there's your link, okay? And you would name that. Now, if we put that in there, it should go to the same page that we saw before. Okay. Whoa, we've missed something here. We've missed something here. We've missed something here. I think I've messed something up there, guys. I'll just put that in again. We'll try it again because that never went to the right page. Okay, so there we go. And then up top, if I move this, see that little hop there, that AFDan123, that's how we know we've got the right affiliate link. So you can now take this link, okay, really simply. Take it here. You've got a little bit of money, go to a site called Herculist.com. Herculist.com, and you will have to sign in, unfortunately, as they make you do now with everything. Just sign up real quick. Now, what this site is just a large database of different advertising platforms, but more so, and it's free to become a member, so just join up as a member. It's a large database of people you can email that are primarily interested. Now, there's a lot of ads on this site. You just got to click through. Primarily, people that are looking to make money online or MLM or that kind of thing in that e-biz marketing space. Okay, so what I would do next is what I found on here that does work quite well is click this one, the most popular package, 15 smart submissions for 4 Hercules submissions, 3 mega mail. So basically what this is just a mail out order form, but it's $20, guys, $20. And here you've got 15 smart submissions. So 15 times I'll send out to a list of 13,500. They'll do 4 of these ones, 85,000 people that are going to get your email. They're going to do 2 of these proven buyer lists, one, and they're going to do a 3 mega mail at 81,000. So all up, you're getting your email in front of so many people. Okay, so you enter your name, email, and you enter the subject line of your ad and your email. So you write in here what you want. Now, don't worry if you're worried about what do I email. So you come here and we look at promotion tools. We go to email swipes. Okay, very, very simple way to do it. It's cost effective. Now you have to trial these products. Some of them will convert well, some of them won't. Where are we? Click here for email swipes. And there we go. And we've got them here. So there you go. Main squeeze page. So that's the one we're linking to our main squeeze page, which is this one here. Okay, and I just found this on that affiliate section here. Okay, so that's it, guys. You just grab this, grab the top of this, put it into here. Where are we? Subject line here. Put that into there. Right. Copy the body. Go all the way down. Copy. Right. All that, and then come back. Change a couple of little things. Maybe just put your name at the end or a pen name, and then where we need to go is back here. Grab our Bitly link because we're going to see how many clicks we get, and put that into the body somewhere. Okay. Along with your copy. So let's just say we've got that there. We'll go paste that in. I'll move this over here for a second. Away. Okay, we've got our, now here where it says clickback ID, what we want to do is go down here. We've already pasted that, but we can get rid of that now. And we put our Bitly. Just go like that. And we go like that. Yeah. And you might just go, change that to, hey, what's going on? Space it out a bit. This is the plain text one. You can do an HTML. And you might go, hey, it's, I'm Ben James, but you can do what you want there. Okay, and put that in, pay your $20, send that off, and you might say, go to the page. Let's have a look. So you can go click here to see how single one make over $700 every week. That might be your thing. Click here to see how single, grab something off the page, mum makes over $700 per week. And bang, you've got your link there, and you got your everything set out right. You might just put here, see how here, put a couple of them in. There's your link. So now we come back to Bitly over the side here, right? When we go to here, we can see our new link there, which is that Afdan123. Now you can name all this. I could have named that there, the offer, paid social ads, ClickBank, so I can see clearly what I'm promoting. Okay, and in here we'll already, if we refresh that, we've clicked on this link a couple of times. Look, see, we've already got one link, and it shows me I'm in Australia. Okay, so you'll see how many clicks you get, and then when you go to your ClickBank, you may see some sales. Okay, and you just click on your dashboard to see your sales. Okay, so that's the way it works. It's really quick. You can trial this. This site has made me some sales, and definitely I still use this from time to time. But this is probably the best deal, bang for your buck, and it's cheap. You can get started, pick an affiliate offer, start testing, see what's working. But ideally, guys, in the long run, you need to be building an email list. You need to be having an opt-in page. One like this or something like this. And if you want to know how to do all this, set it up. There's me, and I'm partnering with Zach, my mentor. The link's in the description below. You can go there now and sign up for the free training that we have. And Zach does the majority of the training. He's earning. He's a seven-figure income earner. He's been online a lot longer than me, and my plan is to catch him. But we've got some free training there you can just quickly sign up to, and it goes for a few days, a little mini course. You're going to learn how to fast track your online earnings, okay? 90% of the work's done for you, and all you get to do is model and everything. You'll get so much quicker results when you've got a mentor and you plug into their system. So I can't speak highly enough about this mentor of mine and the system that he's got here. So check this out as well, and the link will be in the description. But go ahead, implement what I've said, and I hope you got value. Like, subscribe, comment. Let me know where you're at, and let me know when you make your first sale. Otherwise, we might see you on the other side of this as well. So go and check it out. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again another day.